Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Wanted to show you something if your clippers are getting hot and they feel like they're slowing down. So here we go. So I got this clipper in today and she said it feels hot and it's slowing down a lot. But first thing I noticed is all the red stuff. All of it. See how red it is? Especially on the sides here. Yeah, so we got to clean it out. There's even red down in the bearing. And then if you look at the blades, you can see these little, let me look, not on the camera, the wear marks. See how it's kind of shiny right here? Shiny in here, shiny, shiny. This one's a little shiny, not that bad. This one's pretty bad. Not sure if you can see that. So that's the blade drive hitting the comb. So that will cause extra heat, and it also makes your clipper work a little harder. So her blades look pretty clean, you know, not too red, but the clipper tells me she is not oiling enough because there's all that burnt dander on there. It's not rust. You can wipe it right off like that. See, it's on my finger now. If this camera ever wants to focus. Come on, Samsung. There we go. See that on my finger by my nail? That's burnt on dog dander on your equipment from not oiling enough. So just oil a lot. And if you see this, there's something up with yeah, I can feel it. These sockets are all kind of aimed down instead of being nice and flat. They're down. So that's why these clippers are heated up and not performing like they should. So I'm going to take them apart, clean them all out, clean the blades, adjust the sockets, and all of that. But yeah, the clippers are running good. This is on the lowest speed, and I can't stop it with my thumb. So that tells me the motor's still strong. All right, hope this helps somebody. Take a look at your blades, take a look at your clipper. If you got this red stuff, you definitely need to oil more. And if you have these marks in between on the comb, you need to ask your sharpener to help you adjust those sockets. So, all right, hope this helps somebody. Bye.